Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see RDD in Scala. So what is RDD? So it is a collection of objects. It is immutable and process in memory. So what is immutable? You cannot change the RDD. If you want to change the RDD, you need to create another one. You cannot mutate the existing RDD. And RDD is generally processed in memory. That's why it is very fast. To create RDD, we generally use parallelize function, which is available in a Spark context. So here in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just creating a RDD with the help of a Spark context.parallelize method. So what I'm just doing, I'm just importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating an object with the help of a list, and I'm storing 3 objects in it. And what I'm just doing, with the help of a Spark context.parallelize method, by supplying the object which has the data, I am creating this RDD object. I am printing this RDD with the help of a print method. And what I'm just doing, I'm creating a data frame with the help of a Spark.create data frame function by passing this RDD as a argument. And to create this particular data frame, once the data frame gets created, we can display the data with the help of a show function. So let's see how generally it works in Databricks. Let's go to the Databricks. Let's create one notebook. Name this notebook as RDD. Connect this notebook with our running cluster. Now let's import the required libraries. Import org.apache.spark.sql, and then we need to import 2 things. One is row and another is Spark session. Let's run it. Let's create a list variable where we going to store our data. ap list. Here we are going to use list class, and we are storing 3 objects in it. Let's create 2 more objects. Just change the value. Let's run it. This list variable has been defined successfully. In this list variable, we are storing 3 objects. Now, let's create a RDD. How we are going to create RDD? We are going to create RDD on a Spark context. Spark context, and with the help of a parallelize method by passing object which is containing data. So ap list contains the data here, and we are using this parallelize method. Let's run it. Now this RDD has been created successfully. Let's print the RDD. Okay. Print. So this is the RDD. If you're going to print the RDD, it will going to print like this. Let's create a data frame based on this RDD. So how we are going to create a data frame? We are going to create data frame with the help of a spark.create data frame function by passing this RDD object. Let's run it. Now display this data frame. We can see there are 3 objects which we have created in the list, and this data frame has also 3 objects. So in this exercise we have seen how we can create a RDD based on a object which contains the data. Here the object is a list type in which we have stored 3 objects, and we have also seen how can we create a data frame with the help of a create data frame function by passing this RDD object. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.